Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, my yard work is done, and today's the day. I'm getting the van ready. So, there goes my neighbor, cutting his lawn again. Well, we have the lawn cuttingest neighbors you ever did know, but I'm not complaining because everybody's yard looks great. So, we're just gonna go with it. I know I'm looking a wreck, but this ain't no beauty contest, so do excuse the appearance. Anyhow, I made a decision to bring my camping kitchen. I wasn't going to bring it initially because the weather was going to be too cool for me to keep the van open, but now it looks like the weather's going to be in the 50s. I can deal with that, having my hatch open to use my kitchen and whatnot. So I'm going to bring the kitchen. I'm kind of excited about that. I was going to use my little MSR camping stove, that little guy that you put on the propane butane tank thingy. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna bring my kitchen. The weather's gonna work out for me in that regard, so super stoked about that. All right, I'm gonna go in and get some things. Catch you in a minute.